If you're looking to spruce up the vitality in your garden space and have some fun with your little ones, vermicomposting is the way to go. We like vermicomposting because it adds organic matter back to the soil and it helps feed the earth and ecosystems with worms and other microbes. We have here a vermicompost shelf that we've built, but you can also do your vermicompost in containers like this takeaway container. It has holes in it. You'll want it to breathe. Or in like a 5-gallon container, like a bucket. You can use those as well, just as long as you make sure it has some holes to aerate. What we do is we add compost, any leftover remains from the kitchen. We like to use produce. Here, will you help me, Zoe? We like to use produce and eggshells and coffee grounds. We try and stay away from carbs and grains and meats. Thank you. And then we have the worms underneath the dirt who come up and eat the produce. We're going to add some more. We use red wiggler worms. I got these from a local pet store. You can get them from a bait and tackle shop. You can get them online. Red wigglers are especially great for vermicompost because they break down the produce into dirt really quickly. They're from Europe, so they're not from here, and they won't do great if you add them back to the soil later. So you should probably keep them in a bucket. They need temperatures of 60 to 75 degrees. Zoe, will you help me? With the worms, can we find them? Do we see them?
Mhm.
Where are they? They like it in here because it's dark, right?
Right.
Right. And it's cool and moist. Oh, they're coming out. They see the light. You want to make sure that it's dark and that they're covered with leaves or some more dirt wherever you're housing them. Can you pour them into the dirt for me? Let's pour them right here.
I can set them
You can
here.
set them right here, and I think they want to go right in the dirt. There we go. If it's getting a little too dry, then you know you should add more compost. You can also mix a little water, just enough so that it's not sandy and too crummy-like. And you'll know when it's done because the dirt will have changed into dark, clotted, aggregated soil like this. Good luck composting. We hope that your garden grows well.